Good morning, Pressure and Savers. I just literally rolled out of bed to come coupon for you guys. So today is actually Saturday, June the 19th, and we're heading into Walmart. So I had three things I want to tell you guys before we head in. The first thing is IBOTTA has some crazy, I guess it's like the program where they give you extra cash offers this weekend. So the offers that I have a Weekend Warrior bonus, and I have to get only get $1, but I get if I do 8 offers, which no problem. I'm also working towards my June level 2 bonus, and I think I had to get like 30 offers. I'm not sure. I can't remember all the offers. I'm already at 9. There is a special offer where it's climb. How to write this down, peak and long haul. So it's a 3-tiered bonus. So you finish the climb, and then you'll get the peak bonus and then the long haul bonus. And all these offers are stacking. So with my Weekend Warrior, my level 2 June, and the climb, peak, and long haul, they're all stacking, so they all work together. Now the good thing about the climb, peak, and long haul is they're not all at once. So once you finish the climb bonus, you'll get to the peak, and then you'll get to the long haul. And so everybody has different ones. I think my climb is $5 after I've done like 30 something rebates. It's gonna be difficult because what happens is when I go into Walmart and I have all these things I want to get, our store's out of it, or they don't carry it, because every store varies. This is actually a smaller Walmart that I go to. I just like because there's not as much people, but they don't always have everything. So anyways, check your bonuses and see what offers you have, because they're all different. The second thing is I want to thank Sister Saving You Cents and Nick with Ohio Valley Couponer. I watched their videos, some great things, and I was able to make my list with the things that they have. They're all great. Sister Saving You Cents, they're hilarious. Love those ladies. Much enjoyed watching their videos. And also Nick, I've been watching him for a long time, so check those guys out. There is a printable breakdown in the description box. There were so many things on the printable that I ended up going off the spreadsheet, so just check out those. My spreadsheet got huge. It's like 43 lines on the spreadsheet. And the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is that, you know, with couponing, for me it's better if I like have a separate card. So I have this card, and this card, what I do is I have $100 a week goes onto this card, and this is like a separate banking account card. It's actually with Stash. If you don't know about Stash, check it out. It's a really great way for stocks and everything to invest. But anyways, so $100 a week goes on that card, and that's what I use to coupon. That's essentially my couponing budget for the week. And of course, if I don't, use it for that week, I just keep building it up. And I actually have a couple $100s on there right now. But I use that card to go to CVS, Kroger, Walmart, all those places. So I'm not just spending money on all these things. And also another thing that I do is, it's up to you, but with like Shopkicks and Swag Bucks, Fetch, and IBOTTA, I get Walmart e-gift cards, and I just use them in the Walmart. It just works better for me to use the Walmart, to make it be Walmart gift cards, because that's where I use most of my rebates, is in Walmart. Oh, and last thing I want to tell you guys, my sweet honey got me this cool thing. It's called Gal's Shopper, and what it is, it kind of clips onto your cart, and then when you open it, your phone goes here. And then you can put your grocery list here, your printable breakdown, or you can clip your coupons on here, whichever one you want. And there's also a place for your pen holder. So I'm excited to use this today to keep me a little organized. Easy peasy. Close it up so people don't see your phone when you're walking around. Love that. So cute. All right, guys, let's get to shopping. So the very first thing that I always do when I come to Walmart is check out the clearance section. And on this clearance section, I found something way back. So this is the donut shop regular. The box is kind of messed up. I do not care. This is the 48 count. It's $12.84. These are usually like $20 something. And then I have a $3 off coupon that I got in, I think when we bought the new Keurig machine. So I'm going to get these for less than $10 for this big box of donut shop. And the second thing that I see is that my daughter loves chocolate chips. She puts them on her pancakes like all the time, and these are only $2, and this is a huge bag for $2. So I'll pick up a box of these two, a bag of these two. But always check out your clearance section. You never know what you're going to find. So loving this repeat deal, this Twix 6-count minis with Shopkicks. With Scan and Kicks, you'll get like 455 kicks. And 455 kicks is like $1.72. So this is a huge money maker. So $1.72, subtract that 98 cents. And I've been doing this deal almost every time I come in, and I love that this actual product also scans, so you don't have to go get a bigger product on this. So money maker on the Twix 6-count fun size minis. Another great Shopkick deal. These Hershey minis are the 5-count. They're 98 cents. And you're going to get, I think, 210 kicks with Scans and Kicks. You have to scan the larger ones for this to work. And you're going to get, I believe it's 84 cents in the Shopkicks. So it's going to make this just 14 cents for the Hershey snack size. So this is a repeat deal for me. The NBA Dynasty Oreos are $3.67. There is an Ibotta for a BOGO. So you have to buy 2 and you're going to get 1 for free. So, this is a great deal because I don't really see great deals on cookies like this. So you're getting both packs for $3.67. My kids have already eaten all the last Oreos that I got. So scan that in your Ibotta app. Some of you have the deal with the family size still, but I already used that, so I don't have it anymore. But pick these up for $3.67. Scan it in the Ibotta app. I'm really loving all the water deals and the low sugar fruit punches. So these are the essential waters, and they have electrolytes in them or whatever, but they're $1.88. There's a 75-cent off or 75-cent back on Ibotta, and you can actually do this deal 5 times. So if this is a water you like, you can stack up, get 5 of these, and 75-cent back on each one. I'm gonna pick one up today. All right, next great deal is the Nestle Splash. These kind of are $1.67, but the purple grape kind is $1.48. I don't want those. I want these kind. These are my favorite. And so I'm going to use that $1 off principal coupon that I got on coupons.com. Well, I started having some problems after I printed this coupon. My printer was just not working right. So I don't have enough coupons to buy 3, but I'm going to buy 1 just to, just to buy it. And it's only going to be 67 cents for these. Well, if you want to maximize the savings, what you need to do is you need to print off 3 of these coupons, $1 each, and you need to buy 3 of these. And when you buy 3, there's an Ibotta rebate. When you buy 3, there's 75 cents back. So if you want to maximize your savings, do that. I'm not able to do that, but I just want to let you guys know that if you buy 3, you can do you can submit that on Ibotta for 75 cents. All right, so next deal is on these raisin dry cranberries. You have to get the green pack. That's less than half the sugar. Don't get the blue one. Okay, that's not the right one. So they are $2.12, and there are 2 rebates attaching to this. There's $1 and a 25 cent. So 2 rebates for one, $2.12, and $1.25 attaching. All right, so I decided to make lasagna for Father's Day, and so one of the things I need is Parmesan cheese. So this is $2.08, and there's a 75 cent bag on Ibotta. You don't have to buy Parmesan. You can buy feta, which is here, the green, or you can buy the blue cheese crumbles. I'm just going to stick with the Parmesan, $2.08, and 75 cents back on that. All right, so another great offer on some cheeses. The Cracker Barrel is $3.18, and there is a, I believe, $1.50 back on Ibotta. And there's actually some other bonuses that you can get if you buy so many, but I'm just going to buy 1 today. We like to, have the little charcuterie boards and stuff like that. So I'm picking up 1 of these, $3.18, $1.50 back. Really great deal on this hairspray. It's $2.74, and there's a $2 off coupon that actually expires today. And I can only use 2 of the same coupon, so I'm going to leave some of the extras I have, but I'm going to pick up 2 of these because you can only use 2 in the same transaction. It's $2.74, so it's only going to be 74 cents for each bottle of hairspray. There they are. Left those coupons for somebody else. Please do that for people. It's awesome. They love it. Get people started couponing. And then I just noticed over here that these You by Kotex, there's a peely for $2 off. So check out your You by Kotex to see if you got any peelies on yours. So this is one of the things I did before, but this is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is great leave-in conditioner for summertime, especially when we're in the pool so much, but it's $2.82. There is a $2 coupon that you can use, making this just 82 cents. No Ibotta rebates or anything on this, but a really great deal, 82 cents on that. So only can pick up 1 bottle because it's a limit of 1 coupon per day per household. All right, great deal on the Clean and Clear Essentials. So it is $4.34. There is a $1.50 coupon on coupons.com that you can print, and then there's a $2 back on IBOTTA. Now you don't have to get the astringent if you're not one of the astringent people. You can do the the cleanser, whichever one you prefer. But this is a 5 times deal, so you can do this deal up to 5 times. And then also, if you have the coupons for $1.50 off, so it makes it really great out of pocket price for these Clean and Clear products. Right. Insane deal on the Zantac. Now, some of you guys have that $4 principal coupon or just $4 coupon. I don't have that. So on IBOTTA, there's a $3 off and a $1.50 rebate attaching. So 2 rebates. So you've got $4.50 worth of rebates attaching. And so that makes this 44 cents a box. And you can actually do this deal 3 times. So I'm going to pick up 3 boxes for 44 cents each. If you have that, if you have that $4 off coupon that's out, then this is going to make it an insane money maker. So kind of excited about this. I do get blisters sometimes, and these are $3.98. There is a $1.50 coupon on 1 or a $4 off coupon on 2, and there's also 2 IBOTTA rebates attaching on this. So a $1.50 Camfo for Nick is attaching, and then a 10 cents. I think it's a 10 cents any items attaching. So it's just going to make these 88 cents per item. I'm thinking of the St. Joseph Aspirin, they're $4.37. Let me put my stuff down real quick. There is a $2 off coupon when you buy the 90 count or higher. So that brings it down to $2.37. And then there is a $1.50 IBOTTA attaching to this. So I guess there's a really great Bayer deal out, making the Bayer like 24 cents, but I don't have the Bayer deal, and I don't have the actual size of the Bayer that they're talking about. So I have these $3 off coupons. I'm just going to leave these here for somebody who needs them, because these are kind of pricey for somebody. So I'm going to leave these for the next person. So shout out to one of my ladies who commented on one of my videos, because I did not know this was on Swagbucks. I don't know if I missed it or it just wasn't appearing on my Swagbucks till recently. And I think that happens sometimes. We don't always have the same coupons at the same time, or the same rebates at the same time. But these are $3.97, and these are going to be totally free. I think plus a 50-cent moneymaker for each one. So the Lemmy Shines are $3.97. You get back $2 for each one on IBOTTA. You can do that 3 times if you want, but I'm only going to do it twice today, because on Swagbucks, if you buy 2, you get back 500 Swagbucks, or that's $5. So some of the math here is it's going to be $4, $8, okay, and then $8. You're going to get back $4 on IBOTTA for 2 of them, and you're going to get back $5 in Swagbucks for 2 of them. So it makes it $1 you'll get back, making it free, or 50 cents each making it free. So total money maker on these Lemmy Shines. Love these things. Check them out. All right, so I guess this is a new product. Yep, it's a new product with sparkle, and these are the Terra squares. So you're going to pick up the 3 rolls, which is like 6 rolls. They try to confuse you with all that, but these are $3.97, and there's a $1 back on Ibotta, making these just $2.97. Now make sure you get the Terra squares, and they do the different squares on there. I'm going to pick these up. These aren't like a money maker or anything, but we always need paper towels, and we have not had good toilet paper and paper towel deals in the whole year. So check these out, and these are a limit of 5, so you can do this deal 5 times if you want to. Picking up the 7th generation dish soap is $2.77, and you can submit on Shopkicks. For scans and kicks is $6.25, I think. Yeah, $6.25, which makes that 250 scans. $2.50 in scans and kicks. So it makes this just 22 cents. Yeah, 22 cents for that. All right, so I've been hearing about this Rubbermaid deal. It's $3.97, and there's a $3 back on Ibotta, and this is a limit of 5. So you're getting these for 97 cents each. And because it's a limit of 5, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 5 containers for 97 cents each, because we really don't see good deals on stuff like this. Hey guys, just left Walmart. I'm in the Sonic drive-thru because I'm starving from that. That was like 2 hours of me walking around. I got a lot of things we needed too, and my receipt shows that I had like $140 worth of stuff, but I got stuff to make lasagna because we're having lasagna and spaghetti for Father's Day. So I got some extra things that weren't in my couponing shopping list, my total might be a little bit higher than what we normally would have pulling up here at Sonic. So gonna get home and submit my Ibotta, Shopkick, $5, fetch, all that. There was a lot of fetch things that I didn't mention in the video because I just like to mention fetch afterwards. So I'm gonna go home, submit everything, check out that fetch, and let you know how it goes. Because I'm pretty sure the fetch had the Sargento cheese on it. So pretty excited about that. But I'll see you guys at the house. All right, praisers and savers, this is an insane haul of things. I could not fit everything barely in the picture. And so I'm about to submit my Ibotta, Shopkicks, $5, and fetch to let you know what I got. Also, a couple things that are not in the picture. I got some hamburger meat, ricotta cheese, some regular cheese, and bread for our supper. So that was added into the total. So I got a little bit with fetch, just 60 points, which really means nothing right now. So let's try our next app. So $5 went through, got back my $500 and also my Shopkick, so it was $4.90. So I did get the Weekend Warrior bonus, so I got $1 back on Ibotta as well. I need like 4 more bonuses to hit that climb bonus, and then I need 3 more bonuses to hit my June level 2. So all in all, everything was a really good day. So check out that printable breakdown in the description box to see all the offers I got. And then also a lot of these came from coupons.com, so make sure you check that as well.